Hello, welcome to Tarfa TV, where we make cooking and baking videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious Nigerian style fried rice. This fried rice is actually made with Nigerian rice, not foreign rice. It is packed with flavor, it is so easy to make and so delicious. Now without wasting much of your time, let's start with the recipe. Now we start off by preparing our vegetables. Of course, you wash them properly, scrape your carrots properly so that there will be no sand. Wash your green beans and any other thing you're using for this, and cut them to your desired size. When cutting your ingredients, as much as possible, try to make them the same size so that they cook evenly. One doesn't get ready before the other. A full list of ingredients will be in the description. Please check it out. I'm using sausage for this because my kids don't like liver. If you're going to use liver, feel free to use it. Although liver is used for the classic Nigerian fried rice. So this is everything we'll be using. Our peppers, our onion, garlic, ginger. I already said earlier that a full list of ingredients will be in the description. Please check it out. After prepping the vegetables, now we move on to our rice, to boiling the rice. I like to put some salt in my rice, let it stand for about a minute or two before washing it. This helps it release the starch, and the less starchy it is, the less likely it's going to clump together. Now, to get very flavorful rice, we're going to season the rice at this stage. I'm going to put a seasoning cube, put some salt, bay leaves, half a teaspoon of curry, depending on the color of the rice you want. If you want the curry color to be intense, you could increase it to 1 teaspoon. And I'm also putting half a teaspoon of thyme. Now, the time of cooking will depend on the type of rice you're using. You have to know your rice. If you're using rice that you're not conversant with for a recipe, it is advisable you put your water a little at a time. Watch it closely because some get ready really fast. Now when the rice is almost ready, it's ready but not soft, I like to keep it down at this stage. When you keep it down, spread it on a tray to help the steam go out. Allow your rice to cool about 50%, if not 100%, before you use it for your fried rice. This way you get a better texture. Now moving to frying our vegetables. Pour in half a cup of oil, adding some garlic and ginger at this time. This is very important because it helps give the rice a very nice flavor. Put in your garlic and ginger now. Don't allow the oil to get too hot, because if it gets very hot, your garlic and ginger will blacken in no time, and burnt garlic results in a bitter taste, so you don't want that in your food. Put in the carrots and the green beans. I like to put this at the same time because there's really no significant difference in the time they cook. Try to mix everything. I'm adding my red bell pepper and my habanero now. Now the amount of habaneros you use or Scotch bonnet will depend on how spicy you want your rice. Let's add a teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of curry, mix them properly. Add my salt, my seasoning cube. My sweet corn. I don't want my vegetables to be too soft. I still want them to have that crunch when they are ready. So I'm not going to leave them on fire for too long. When I turn off the heat, they will still cook. That's something to keep in mind. When you turn off the heat, these vegetables still cook. The vegetables are the texture I want. They are ready, but they still have some crunch. Now I'm going to add my sweet yellow bell pepper. Now to put everything together, I'm going to add a little oil to my pan. I'm going to do my mixing in 2 batches just because it's easier for me that way. I'm going to mix half the vegetables with half the rice. You can see that as the rice has cooled considerably, the texture is better. It is not all sticky and clumpy. The seasoning should be enough, but while mixing, it's good to taste to know if you should correct anything. It's at this stage you do that. Now, if you've been watching up to this moment and you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell, select the all option so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And give this video a thumbs up also if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and family. It helps me a lot, please. Now, can you hear that crackling sound? Our rice is about ready. I've mixed everything. Allow it on fire a little longer. Just be stirring it. Now this is our rice. This is our finished product. It looks so delicious. It's packed with flavor. All the ingredients lend their flavor to this rice. It is so good. Thank you very much for watching. There are many more recipe videos here, so feel free to browse the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.